Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review of our Redmi Watch 5 Active, and on this video we are going to explore more on the menus and features offered on this new wearable from Redmi. It is the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So on this video we are going to explore the features, the options, the watch faces, and other smart functions of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you are interested to know more about the smartwatch and if you are planning to get one, watch this video, and still, again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and explore our Redmi Watch 5 Active. For the basic UI, on top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have the different settings here for your smartwatch. On the left side we have the different cards or module. So we do have here support for Amazon Alexa. We have a grid menu here. Okay, on the right side, the same style or the same functionality here. Okay, the same options. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Going back, let's see if there are some available watch faces. Long press. We have 1, 2, 3. We only have 3 here. Let's pick this one. Going back to the main menu, press the power button. So we have here the workout, the history, the statistics. This is the daily stats of your activity. We have the heart rate here, vitality score, we have the blood oxygen, we have the sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, we have the breathing guide, weather report, we have calendar, events, task, and as you can see we do have here the favorite contacts and the phone. Okay, so this is for the Bluetooth call. We have the Bluetooth music control function. We have the remote camera, alarm, focus, stopwatch, timer. We also have here world clock, find phone, flashlight, and settings. On the settings, we have the watch faces. Watch faces, we have at least 2 options here. Press and hold the screen to change. And okay, so we only have one. Okay, and this one. Got it. So you can edit. Okay, going back, we have the notifications. Wake screen, notify only when phone is locked, notify only when worn. Sound and vibration. Okay, you can set the vibration here. And the sound, we have the display options, brightness. This is the brightness. Auto lock, raise to wake feature, cover to sleep, and tap to wake. We have do not disturb mode, we have night mode, auto detect. So it can detect at least how many sports: running, walking, cycling, elliptical rowing, and jumping rope. We have the layout here. We have at least 2, the grid and the list. We have the password, battery system, reboot, power off, connect a new phone, and reset. And of course the smartwatch. For the sports, we have, how many sports do we have here? 140 plus workout modes. So that's a lot. We have outdoor running, walking, freestyle, hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, and jump rope. You can access more here. So we have at least 10 outdoor activities, 40 trainings, 14 dance, combat sports at least 12, ball sports 26, winter sports 11, recreational sports 14, cardboard games 5, and other three sports. These other three sports are equestrian, athletics, and auto racing. Remember, we do have an automatic recognition for some of the sports here. We have the heart rate. Let's check out the UI. And SpO2 for the sleep. We do have the breathing guide and the calendar. Okay, that's very good. Going back. Okay, so that's it for the UI of our Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you are interested to see some of the features, hopefully we have provided it to you. We have shown it to you. And if you have any questions regarding the Redmi Watch 5 Active, drop a comment below. If you are interested to get one, we do have the links below. Again, like, share, and subscribe if you love our YouTube channel so we can provide more videos of the latest smartwatches in the market. Bye!